Ready to turn your skills into paying gigs on Upwork? The first step to landing any freelance project on Upwork is mastering the proposal submission. Let's dive in. When you find a job that matches your expertise, carefully review the client's needs then. Head over to your Upwork profile, ensure your skills are accurately listed and that your portfolio showcases projects directly relevant to the job you're targeting. This is your digital resume, so make it shine. Now, it's time for the heart of your proposal, the cover letter. This isn't just a formality. It's your chance to connect with the client and prove you're the best fit. Start by directly addressing the client's pain points and demonstrating that you understand their project. Use the language they use in the job description. Mention specific skills and experiences from your background that directly solve their problem. Quantify your achievements whenever possible. Think about the impact you've made on previous projects. Next, consider your pricing. Analyze the job's budget range and research what other freelancers with similar skills are charging for comparable work. Aim for a competitive rate that reflects your value but also feels achievable for the client. You can adjust your rate based on the project's scope and your confidence. Before you hit submit, reread everything. Check for typos, grammatical errors, and clarity. Craft a strong closing statement that encourages the client to invite you for a chat or call. A clear call to action is crucial. By following these steps, highlighting your unique strengths, and crafting a personalized pitch, you'll significantly increase your chances of winning exciting freelance projects on Upwork. Happy bidding!